The spontaneous and rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart to pump out and receive blood is called heartbeat. So systole and diastole are collectively called heartbeat. Types. Heartbeat is of two types. 1. Neurogenic, controlled by nerve, e.g. lower animals, arthropoda, mollusca. 2. Myogenic, by own muscles, e.g. vertebrates including man and rabbit. Some facts. Neurogenic part is less. It is under control of upper part of medulla. Sympathetic accelerate heartbeat. Parasympathetic or vagal inhibit heartbeat. Adrenal, thyroxine increases heartbeat. Heartbeat is 210 minute in rabbit, 72 per minute in man, 500 per minute in mice, 800 per minute in shrew, 25 per minute in elephant, 8 per minute in Balaenoptera. Mammalian heart is myogenic. Myo equals muscle, genic equals originating from, i.e. heartbeat originates from a muscle. However, it is regulated by the nerves. The heartbeat originates from the sinoatrial node, SA node pacemaker, which lies in the wall of the right atrium near opening of the superior vena cava. SA node is a mass of neuromuscular tissue. Sometimes SA node may become damaged or defective, so beat does not function properly. This can be remedied by the surgical grafting of an artificial pacemaker in the chest of the patient. The artificial pacemaker stimulates the heart at regular intervals to maintain its beat. Conduction of heart. B. Another mass of neuromuscular tissue, atrioventricular node AV node, is situated in the wall of the right atrium. AV node picks up the wave of contraction propagated by SA node. A mass of specialized fibers, bundle of His, originates from the AV node. Bundle of His divides into two branches, one going to each ventricle. Within the myocardium of the ventricles, branches of bundle of His divide into a network of fine fibers called Purkinje fibers. The bundle of His and the Purkinje fibers convey impulse of contraction from AV node to the myocardium of the ventricles. Regulation of heartbeat. The rate of heartbeat is regulated by two mechanisms. 1. Nervous regulation. Cardiac center lies in the medulla oblongata of the brain. Cardiac center is formed of two parts, I cardio inhibitor, E cardio accelerator. Cardio inhibitor is connected with the heart through vagus nerve, it carries parasympathetic nerve fibers, and cardio accelerator through sympathetic nerve fibers. Sensory fibers extend from the receptors present in the vena cava, aorta and carotid sinuses to the cardiovascular center of in the medulla oblongata. Impulses received from the aorta and carotid sinuses decrease the heart rate, whereas impulses from the vena cava increase the heart rate. 2. Hormonal regulation. Adrenaline, epinephrine, and noradrenaline, norepinephrine, hormones are secreted by medulla of the adrenal glands. Noradrenaline accelerates the heartbeat under normal conditions while adrenaline does this function at the time of emergency. These hormones directly influence the SA node. Thyroxine hormone secreted by thyroid gland increases oxidative metabolism of the body cells. This requires more oxygen and thus indirectly increases heartbeat. Heart rate. Pulse per minute is called heart rate. Human heart beats about 72 times per minute in an adult person at rest. This is heart rate of that person. Heart rate increases during exercise, fever, fear and anger. Because smaller animals have the higher metabolic rate, their heart rate is higher than larger animals. An elephant has normal heart rate of about 25 per minute, whereas mouse has a normal heart rate of several hundreds per minute. Pulse. Pulse is rhythmic contraction and relaxation in the aorta and its main arteries. Thus pulse is a wave of increase which passes through arteries as the left ventricle pumps its blood into the aorta. Pulse is a regular jerk of an artery. Therefore, it is also called arterial pulse. The pulse rate is exactly same as the heart rate, i.e. 72, because an artery pulses every time the heart beats. Pulse is usually taken on the radial and ulnar artery in the wrist, but it can be taken on any artery that flows near enough to the surface of the body to be felt, like neck, temples and ankles. Factors affecting pulse rate. 1. Pulse rate in children is more rapid than in adults. 2. Pulse rate is more rapid in the female than in the male. 3. When the person is standing up, pulse rate is more rapid than when she is lying down. 4. When any strong emotion is experienced, then pulse rate is increased, e.g. anger, excitement, fear, etc. 5. Any exercise increases rate of the pulse.